Hey guys, we will create fork place into the holder, so we get a duplicate of fork and move that by G to the right in X direction, and by right click from set origin we choose origin to geometry and move to the front in Y direction. Then according to holder, move fork on the holder. So by right click select shade auto smooth and press tab key to enter edit mode. Then deactivate subdivision surface and select this line. So by press X select dissolve edges and delete lines. As you can see, likewise select these lines and faces by press twice G, move them as far as the edge of fork in Z direction. Now choose vertex mode and select vertices of fork edge, then by press M key and select merge by distance. We merge vertices that are stuck together. After that we choose face mode and select all front faces of fork. So by press G and Y, move faces to the forward and turn wireframe mode. Then select all faces and move to back in Y direction. Then select rear faces and move them until close to the floor of holder. As you can see that we need more loop cuts in here, so we add two more and move them to the forward. In fact, in order for the forks to have more space in the holder, we should consider the space inside the holder to be larger. So by press S and X, scale it in X direction. Then we must to empty fork space. We add boolean modifier and by eyedropper select fork, then hide it. As you can see that we create fork holder. Now only for in the solid mode we should change the color of holder. So from the material properties and view part display option, change the color to almost brown. After that select fork and by right click choose origin to geometry from set origin. Then again get duplicate that and move it on holder. Then place it into holder. So get duplicate by shift D5 more than. We put them in front of each other. Here we go to make a knife place into holder. So we duplicate of that, and by press G and X, move it on holder and set it by reference in wireframe mode. Then deactivate subdivision surface, and by face mode we select all front faces. Then by G and Y move them to forward. So in wireframe mode we move it into holder and create two loop cuts. Then press twice G to move them in themselves direction. So we select the edge of front knife and move it to forward until be out of the folder. Like a fork, by press S key in X direction, scale it, be larger. Then select holder and choose boolean modifier. So like a fork, select knife by eyedropper and hide it. Then get duplicate knife and place into holder and set it. Guys, in this way, as you can see, that maybe we need to edit some edges or faces, so this method to make better appearance and quality.